Are you tired of losing money trading meme coins every single day? Well, this Phantom wallet has $6.2 million inside of it. And it all came from deving meme coins instead. Not by trading, not by guessing, just by using a strategy that works. Let me show you how I pulled it off. Now, there's a reason why I stopped trading meme coins and I started making my own meme coins. That's because when I first started, I spent hours trading and chasing the next big play, trying to become rich by buying early. But every single time I bought in a meme coin, guess what happened? Well, the dev dumped on me and the chart completely died while my balance dropped. This is what happens most of the time on every single coin. And that's when I realized the real money is not by trading meme coins. It's actually by launching and becoming the dev of your own coins. Because when you launch, you decide the price, the supply, and the story. You control everything. You cannot lose anything because it's your creation. You're creating for $0 and you're making like all this in profits, for example. And by the way, bro, right now, Solana is booming and Bitcoin is pumping. It's the best time to start launching. Make sure you keep watching. Now, by the way, this whole video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice, so please don't copy me. Yeah! Now, a lot of people have been asking me, where do I even dev my meme coins? Well, first of all, I do not dev them on Pump.Fun because on this platform is too crowded. There's too many coins, too much noise, and not enough control for your meme coin. For example, if I launched a meme coin on Pump.Fun and I'm up a couple $1,000s, I cannot even touch that money. I cannot even cash it out. That's because you do not control the coin. It's Pump.Fun that does, not you. And on top of that, you need to reach a $85,000 market cap for your coin to bond onto the Raydium DEX. That takes too much luck and it takes too long. So that's why I make my coins on Create Tokens.io, because on this website, bro, it's completely fucking different. Your token launches directly to Raydium. It gets immediately migrated, which means it will be on the Raydium DEX instantly within seconds and is tradable within seconds. You get full ownership of your coin. You get a shit ton of visibility. I'm talking about tens and thousands of traders every single second and more buyers right from the start. Launching coins organically is the fucking play, and Create Tokens.io is the reason why I have all my money. Now, here's how it works on this website. You have two different ways to go about it, but it's up to you to choose which method. Now, the first method is to make your coin from scratch by creating your own coin. Now, go on X first of all and look for something that's decent. So, a narrative to make a meme coin on. It could be literally anything. Let me see if we could find something for an example. I feel so sorry for Charlie Kirk. That's good, because Charlie Kirk died like a couple months ago. That's a good narrative. What else? Okay, Andrew Tate's last ever fight where he quit in the first round. That's decent too for a narrative. But yeah, bro, you get the gist. Just anything trending, just anything fucking, I don't know, just anything, right? Then come back to Create Tokens.io, invent a name, create a symbol, then add a quick image for your meme coin, and just like that, your coin is custom created right now. But the second method, bro, trust me, it's my favorite shortcut and the most profitable by far in 2025, and that's by copying trending coins. Now, all these coins right here are already pumping on Pump.Fun, and you as a dev, all you have to do, okay, is just copy one. So just choose one, copy it, and it will launch the Raydium instantly. And since the hype is already built in, you will get instant traffic and stronger profits from the start, because bro, all these coins are already proven to get buyers and to, to go viral. That's why copying coins is the play. Alright, let's stop talking and actually launch a coin live on camera on the blockchain, and you will see how the whole process works. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected just by clicking select wallet, then Phantom, like so. Then click on the refresh button to have all the new coins. Now let's look for a coin to copy. I don't know which one I'm gonna go with. I think I'm gonna do the Pump.Fun coin. Why? It has a last buy 8 seconds ago, and the next 500 followers. Okay, a community, and they posted CA. This is a good coin. Click on create coin. After that, ignore the block from Phantom, just proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. Just wait. Boom. If I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's on the blockchain, it's on the Solana blockchain 4 seconds ago. It's all legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this next part is really easy. We're adding liquidity. That's what gives your coin a real market on Raydium, so people can buy and sell your coin instantly through your own liquidity pool. Now for the amount token A, just click on the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million coins into the pool. Okay, right under for the token B. Think of this as your first buy into your own coin. You're not losing any SOL, by the way. It's just locked into the pool to start the market. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you remove the liquidity later, that same SOL comes right back to your wallet, and that's why we have nothing to lose. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe, as usual, and then click on create pool, and once again, you are not losing anything. Click on confirm after. When that's done, simply click on the refresh button, and after that scroll down and boom, the Pump.Fun coin is on live. Our profits are at $0. But if you click on the refresh button though to check your profits in real time, now we're up $185. Let's fucking go. We're up a whole SOL because people are now buying our coin through the migrate section. Now click on view on Photon to see the coin, or you can go on Axiom if you want, or any trading platform. Let me go on full screen for a better view. It has to fucking load in. It's retarded, bro. Come on. Okay, it's live. Let's go. Come on, 1.5k market cap. We're already up a couple $100 already. Now the chart has to fucking migrate. Oh my god, bro! We just got the fucking big buy. Let's go! What the fuck? I am going to dump the coin right now. Come on, pump, pump, pump. Yo, the coin has to, breathe a bit for it to go higher and higher, because if you guys did not know how it works, more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on the migrate section, and they're going to start buying the coin, and that's how you create a market for your coin, and that's how you get organic buys. Because once again, we created this coin for $0, and now we're getting organic buys left and right. Like, bro, it's the best business model out here in 2025. We are creating for free, and then we are going to dump it in a couple minutes. Come on, pump, pump, pump. I think I'm going to give this coin a couple more minutes, and I am going to be right back when the time is right to cash out money. Be right back. Okay guys, I am back. We are pushing $4,000 in market cap. We are also creeping up to a 1.8k liquidity because people are fucking ripping this coin up, bro. It's still going up. Like, look, we just printed a couple $100 right here, bro. Like, let's go. Now, if you want to make some money, come back to create tokens.io real quick, and then after that, click on the refresh button to officially check your profits for your coin. And boom, our profits are at $1.84,000 with a 6k market cap. Now before it goes even down, we are going to click on the minus button. After that, here you can decide if you want to remove 100%, 50%, 25%, or 75%. It's all up to you. Personally, I'm going to remove all the money and then click on remove money. Then let's see what happens. Oh shit. Now as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 9 to 10 SOL. It does fluctuate every single second. Then click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some bread, bro. This was a live example, bro, with full transparency. If I open my Phantom Wallet for proof, boom, $1.8,000 all in my Phantom Wallet. It's legit, bro. You guys have to tap in, bro. It's the best business model in 2025. Good luck.